Hello children, hope you all are safe. I'm Subhashri madam. Today I have come with a new lesson from your grammar book, that is lesson 7, about the use of we, you, they. Okay. So before starting this, let me recall you about the earlier class that in that I have taught you the use of he, she, it, I and you. Okay. So those words were also known as pronouns, and these words are also known as pronouns. Okay. But he, she, you and I, those are the words that were used in place of person only one person, and it is used for animal or thing. Okay. But here let me tell you that we, you, they are also known as pronouns, but the main difference is these words are used for plural purpose. Plural purpose means for more than one person, animal or thing. Okay. But those words were used for singular purpose, for one person or animal or thing. But here these are used for more than one person. Okay. Now let's see where to use these words. First come about we. Okay. So where do we use we? Now it is used to talk about ourselves and more than one person who are with us. So how you will know where to use we? Now first you have to know that in that group you yourself is present, along with you some other persons are also there. Okay, then only we can use their we. That means the importance of I must be there, then only you can use we. And it is used for more than one person. Only in case of person only we can use we. Okay. See the example. I am Mary. She is Jenny. That means here I is present. That means you are saying that I am Mary. You are Mary. Along with you some other person is also there. She is Jenny. So in that place we have used we. So we are friends. Okay. And another one thing you remember that you always have to use the verb are with you. Okay. Next is you used to talk about one or more than one person. The use of you also we have learned in the earlier chapter. Here also that same, it is used for one person as well as for more than one person. You are a good girl. You are good girls. Okay. That means here one girl and here more than one. And along with you the verb are is always used. Clear? Then they used to talk about more than one person, animal or thing. So when we use they, now it is used for more than one person. Not only person, here animal or thing are also used. Okay. Like Shruti and Preeti are absent today. Shruti and Preeti both are there. Two persons are there. Therefore, we have used here they. They are out of station. So, along with they, whenever they is there, we use the verb are. Clear? So, we, you, they. So, we is used for only person. They is used for animal, person, animal or thing. Okay. Clear? Now, see your book. See here in the blue box, you just read it out, go through that, and you have to remember about the uses, where to use it. Okay. Then turn. See the exercise portion, I have not written anything. I am just reading it out the answers. I will give the answers in the WhatsApp group. You just check it. Okay. Circle the correct word for each sentence. Number 1, Raj and I are cousins. That means Raj, along with Raj, I is present. So what will be the answer? No, we. We like to play football. There are 2 mango trees in our playground. They are very big. Both of you dance very well. You should dance at the annual day function. Mother is chopping onions and I am peeling potatoes. We are cooking dinner. The children are in the zoo. They are looking at a bear. Then put tick for the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. I went to see a movie with my parents. We had a lot of fun. Tick. The teacher said to Jaya and Alia, we have done well in your test. Wrong. There are many birds sitting on that tree. They are sparrows. Right. There are 2 men standing near the shop. We are policemen. Wrong. The birds are collecting straws. You are making a nest. Wrong. You and Anjana sing very well. You should take part in the competition. Right. I study in class 1. My sister studies in class 3. They study in the same school. Wrong. Amika and Nikki will not come to the playground today. They are going to visit their uncle. Right. Then fill in the blanks with we, you or they. Anita and I are neighbors. We go to school together. Mandip and Parul won the race. They got a prize. Akash can play drums. I can play the guitar. Sometimes we play together and sing songs. My brother and I are eating grapes. They are fresh and sweet. Sunil, Simi and Priya, you look so much like each other. Are you twins? Simi and Priya, yes, we are twins. Ashok uncle, Arjun, you and Preeti should come to my house. I will show you my dogs. They are cute and friendly. Arjun and Preeti, we would love to, uncle. We like dogs a lot. Okay? Hope it is clear. You just check my WhatsApp group. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe and stay at your home.